Hit it.
I did.
Hey guys, it's me, Minecrafter444 here. Today with my first video for today. Today I am reviewing the Nerf Retaliator, a spring-powered blast, a spring-powered magazine-fed blast, so that a super tactical, meaning that it has a bunch of things. So let's start off with reasonably the fun. Up here is a in-strike attachment. You can just slide that on and off. This does not help with performance, though it does have a rail on the top and bottom of it, and it has this cool little folding thing. So I just leave that on because it looks super tactical, and it doesn't help with performance, but it looks awesome. This is a spring power blaster, so you pull back this top thing here, push it forward, one of the entire ones. This is not slam fire, so it's single shot only. If you climb this back, there is the accessory right here. If you can't see, you can get your finger in there and clear out any jams if necessary. The included magazine is a 12-round stick mag, similar to the Rapid Strike 18-round mag. And there's this stock that, since I'm very small, if you can't tell by my overall structure, I really like this gun. Oh yeah, and there's a foregrip, but I don't know what that is. Anyway, let's get on to, and there's hidden dart swords in the set. So it fires the Nerf Elite darts, so I will load a few up here. Super fast rate of fire.
You're lying.
Oh man, this is ridiculous. So, you just insert the magazine and you're ready to fire. Push it forward, ready to fire. Let's do a firing test. Oh man. So, this thing performs about the elite average 70 FPS. Overall, my opinions on this blaster, about, I'd say 8 out of 10. The tactical, is super cool, and I just think this is a good buy. It cost me $25 US, which is nothing at all compared to something like the modulus, which costs like $40 US. So, that is my review of the Nerf Elite Retaliator. See you later.